بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
اقترب للناس حسابهم وهم في غفلة معرضون.
The reckoning of the people is near, and they have turned their faces in negligence.
ما يأتيهم من ذكر من ربهم محدث إلا استمعوه وهم يلعبون.
When new advice comes to them from their Lord, consequently they do not listen to it except in a playful manner.
لاهية قلوبهم وأسروا النجوى الذين ظلموا هل هذا إلا بشر مثلكم أفتأتون السحر وأنتم تبصرون.
Their hearts are involved in play, and the unjust consulted with each other secretly. That who is this? Is he merely another a human like you? So, do you go to him because of his magic whilst you are seeing it?
قال ربي يعلم القول في السماء والأرض وهو السميع العليم.
The beloved Prophet Muhammad said, "My Lord knows every word spoken in the heavens and in the earth, and only He is the all-hearing, all-knowing."
بل قالوا أضغاث أحلام بل افتراه بل هو شاعر فليأتنا بآية كما أرسل الأولون.
Rather, they said, these revelations are confusing dreams. Rather, it is his fabrication. Rather, he is a poet. He must therefore bring us some sign, just like the former had been sent with miracles.
ما آمنت قبلهم من قرية أهلكناها أفهم يؤمنون.
No people of any town which we destroyed before them believed, so will they believe?
وما أرسلنا قبلك إلا رجالا نوحي إليهم فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
And we did not send prophets before you except men, to whom we sent revelations. Therefore, O people, ask the people of knowledge if you do not know.
وما جعلناهم جسدا لا يأكلون الطعام وما كانوا خالدين.
And we did not create them as mere bodies that ate no food, and nor did we make them to live in the world forever.
ثم صدقناهم الوعد فأنجيناهم ومن نشاء وأهلكنا المسرفين.
We then fulfilled our promise to them. We henceforth rescued them and whoever else we willed, and destroyed the transgressors.
لقد أنزلنا إليكم كتابا فيه ذكركم أفلا تعقلون.
We have indeed sent down towards you a book, O people of Quraysh, in which is your potential glorification. So, do you not have sense?
وكم قصمنا من قرية كانت ظالمة وأنشأنا بعدها قوما آخرين.
And how many towns we have destroyed that were unjust, and we created another nation after them.
فلما أحسوا بأسنا إذا هم منها يركضون.
And when they received our punishment, they immediately started fleeing therefrom.
لا تركضوا وارجعوا إلى ما أترفتم فيه ومساكنكم لعلكم تسألون.
Do not flee and return to the comforts that were given to you and to your homes. Perhaps you will be asked.
قالوا يا ويلنا إنا كنا ظالمين.
They said, "Woe to us, we were indeed unjust."
فما زالت تلك دعواهم حتى جعلناهم حصيدا خامدين.
So they kept saying this until we made them cut off, extinguished.
وما خلقنا السماء والأرض وما بينهما لاعبين.
And we have not created the heavens and the earth and what is between them in vain.
لو أردنا أن نتخذ لهوا لاتخذناه من لدنا إن كنا فاعلين.
Had we willed to choose any amusement, we could have chosen it from ourselves if we wanted to do so.
بل نقذف بالحق على الباطل فيدمغه فإذا هو زاهق ولكم الويل مما تصفون.
Rather we strike falsehood with the truth, it therefore knocks out its brains. Thereupon it vanishes, and woe to you for those utterances which you fabricate concerning Allah.
وله ما في السماوات والأرض ومن عنده لا يستكبرون عن عبادته ولا يستحسرون.
And only to him belong all those who are in the heavens and in the earth, and those angels with him are not arrogant towards worshipping him, nor do they tire.
يسبحون الليل والنهار لا يفترون.
They glorify him night and day, and they are not lazy in this regard.
أم اتخذوا آلهة من الأرض هم ينشرون.
Have they appointed from the earth some such gods that they create something?
لو كان فيهما آلهة إلا الله لفسدتا فسبحان الله رب العرش عما يصفون.
If there were gods other than Allah in the heavens and the earth, they would have therefore definitely been destroyed. Thus, purity be to Allah, Master of the throne, from the matters that they fabricate.
لا يسأل عما يفعل وهم يسألون.
He, Allah, is not to be questioned what He does, and they, the people, will all be questioned.
أم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة قل هاتوا برهانكم هذا ذكر من معي وذكر من قبلي بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون الحق فهم معرضون.
Have they taken other gods except Allah? Say you, O beloved, bring your proof. This Quran is the remembrance of those who are with me and remembrance of those before me. Rather, most of them do not know the truth, hence they turn away from it.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك من رسول إلا نوحي إليه أنه لا إله إلا أنا فاعبدون.
And we did not send any messenger before you, but we would reveal to him that there is no God except me, hence only worship me.
وقالوا اتخذ الرحمن ولدا سبحانه بل عباد مكرمون.
And they, the disbelievers, said, the Most Gracious has chosen a son, purity is to him. Rather, they, the angels, are honorable bondsmen.
لا يسبقونه بالقول وهم بأمره يعملون.
They do not precede him in speech, and they act upon only his command.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يشفعون إلا لمن ارتضى وهم من خشيته مشفقون.
He knows what is in front of them and what is behind them, and they do not intercede except for him whom he Allah likes, and they are in fear of his awe.
ومن يقل منهم إني إله من دونه فذلك نجزيه جهنم كذلك نجزي الظالمين.
And the one amongst them who says, I am a God other than Allah, we shall consequently recompense him with hell. This is how we punish the transgressors.
أولم ير الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي أفلا يؤمنون.
Did the disbelievers not perceive that the heavens and the earth were closed up as one piece? We henceforth opened, i.e., parted them, and we made every living thing from water. So, will they not believe?
وجعلنا في الأرض رواسي أن تبيد بهم وجعلنا فيها فجاجا سبلا لعلهم يهتدون.
And we have placed mountains as anchors in the earth, that it may not tremble with them, people. And we kept white paths therein, that they may find their way.
وجعلنا السماء سقفا محفوظا وهم عن آياتها معرضون.
And we have made the sky a protected roof, and they turn away from its signs.
وهو الذي خلق الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر كل في فلك يسبحون.
And it is He who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon, each one floats in an orbit.
وما جعلنا لبشر من قبلك الخلد أفإن مت فهم الخالدون.
And before you, we did not make in the world a never-ending life for any human. So, will they remain eternally if you, O beloved, depart from this world?
كل نفس ذائقة الموت ونبلوكم بالشر والخير فتنة وإلينا ترجعون.
Every soul must taste the flavor of death, and we test you with evil and with good for a trial, and only to us are you to return.
وإذا رآك الذين كفروا إن يتخذونك إلا هزوا أهذا الذي يذكر آلهتكم وهم بذكر الرحمن هم كافرون.
And when the disbelievers see you, they do not take you but as a mockery. Is he the one who speaks ill of your God? And they deny the remembrance of the Most Gracious.
خلق الإنسان من عجل سأريكم آياتي فلا تستعجلون.
Mankind has been made to be hasty. I shall now show you my signs. Do not be hasty with me.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise of punishment occur if you are truthful?
لو يعلم الذين كفروا حين لا يكفون عن وجوههم النار ولا عن ظهورهم ولا هم ينصرون.
Had the disbelievers somehow know the time when they will not be able to stop the fire from their faces, and nor from their backs, and nor are they to be helped.
بل تأتيهم بغتة فتبهتهم فلا يستطيعون ردها ولا هم ينظرون.
Rather, it will come upon them suddenly. It will hence make them dumbfounded. They will then not be able to reverse it, nor will they be given respite.
ولقد استهزئ برسل من قبلك فحاق بالذين سخروا منهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
And indeed the messengers before you were mocked, but the mockery of those who mocked encompassed themselves.
قل من يكلؤكم بالليل والنهار من الرحمن بل هم عن ذكر ربهم معرضون.
Say you, O beloved, who guards you night and day from the punishment of the most gracious? Rather, they have turned away their faces from the remembrance of their Lord.
أم لهم آلهة تمنعهم من دوننا لا يستطيعون نصر أنفسهم ولا هم منا يصحبون.
Do they have some gods who protect them from us? They cannot save themselves, nor do they have an alliance with us.
بل متعنا هؤلاء وآباءهم حتى طال عليهم العمر أفلا يرون أنا نأتي الأرض ننقصها من أطرافها أفهم الغالبون.
Rather, we have given those disbelievers and their forefathers a benefit to the extent that life became long for them. So, do they not see that we are reducing the land of the disbelievers from its borders? So, will they be dominant?
قل إنما أنذركم بالوحي ولا يسمع الصم الدعاء إذا ما ينظرون.
Say you, O beloved, I warn you only through revelations, and the deaf do not hear the call when they are warned.
ولئن مستهم نفحة من عذاب ربك ليقولن يا ويلنا إنا كنا ظالمين.
And if a breath of your Lord's punishment was to touch them, they would hence definitely say, Woe to us, we were indeed unjust.
ونضع الموازين القسط ليوم القيامة فلا تظلم نفس شيئا وإن كان مثقال حبة من خردل أتينا بها وكفى بنا حاسبين.
And we shall establish the scales of justice on the day of resurrection. No soul will therefore be wronged in the least. And if there be anything even equal to a mustard seed, we will henceforth bring it, and we are sufficient to take account.
ولقد آتينا موسى وهارون الفرقان وضياء وذكرا للمتقين.
And we indeed gave Musa and Harun judgment, i.e., the Torah, and light and advice for the pious.
الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب وهم من الساعة مشفقون.
Those who fear their Lord without seeing, and they are afraid of the last day.
وهذا ذكر مبارك أنزلناه أفأنتم له منكرون.
This is a blessed remembrance which we have sent down. Are you deniers thereof?
ولقد آتينا إبراهيم رشده من قبل وكنا به عالمين.
And we indeed indeed bestowed upon Ibrahim his righteous path from the beginning, and we were aware of him.
إذ قال لأبيه وقومه ما هذه التماثيل التي أنتم لها عاكفون.
When he said to his father and his people, "What are these idols in front of whom you are sitting devotedly to worship?"
قالوا وجدنا آباءنا لها عابدين.
They said, "We found our forefathers worshipping them."
قال لقد كنتم أنتم وآباؤكم في ضلال مبين.
He, Ibrahim, said, "Indeed, you and your forefathers are all in open error."
قالوا أجئتنا بالحق أم أنت من اللاعبين.
They said, "Have you brought the truth to us, or are you just playing?"
قال بل ربكم رب السماوات والأرض الذي فطرهن وأنا على ذلكم من الشاهدين.
They said, "Have you brought the truth to us, or are you just playing?" He said, "Rather, your Lord is the Lord of the heavens and the earth, and the one who created them, and I am amongst the witnesses to this."
وتالله لأكيدن أصنامكم بعد أن تولوا مدبرين.
And I swear an oath by Allah, I shall seek to harm your idols after you have turned your backs.
فجعلهم جذاذا إلا كبيرا لهم لعلهم إليه يرجعون.
He therefore crushed them all except the biggest amongst them, that perhaps they may question it.
قالوا من فعل هذا بآلهتنا إنه لمن الظالمين.
They said, "Who has done this to our gods? He is indeed unjust."
قالوا سمعنا فتى يذكرهم يقال له إبراهيم.
Some amongst them said, "We heard a young man speak ill of them, the one called Ibrahim."
قالوا فأتوا به على أعين الناس لعلهم يشهدون.
They said, "So bring him in front of the people, perhaps they may testify."
قالوا أأنت فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
They said, "Did you do this to our gods, O Ibrahim?"
قال بل فعله كبيرهم هذا فاسألوهم إن كانوا ينطقون.
Said he, "Rather this big one from them must have done it, so question them if they speak."
فرجعوا إلى أنفسهم فقالوا إنكم أنتم الظالمون.
They therefore turned to themselves and said to one another, "Indeed, only you are unjust."
ثم نكسوا على رؤوسهم لقد علمت ما هؤلاء ينطقون.
They were then made to reverse on their heads that, "O Ibrahim, you know well that they do not speak."
قال أفتعبدون من دون الله ما لا ينفعكم شيئا ولا يضركم.
He, Ibrahim, said, "Do you worship other than Allah, who neither benefits you nor harms you?"
أف لكم ولما تعبدون من دون الله أفلا تعقلون.
Shame on you and on those idols whom you worship instead of Allah. So, do you not have intellect?
قالوا حرقوه وانصروا آلهتكم إن كنتم فاعلين.
They said, "Burn him and help your gods if you are to do something."
قلنا يا نار كوني بردا وسلاما على إبراهيم.
We said, "O fire, become cool and peaceful upon Ibrahim."
وأرادوا به كيدا فجعلناهم الأخسرين.
And they wished to cause him harm. We consequently made them the greatest of losers.
ونجيناه ولوطا إلى الأرض التي باركنا فيها للعالمين.
And we rescued him and Lut towards that land in which we have placed blessings for the worlds.
ووهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب نافلة وكلا جعلنا صالحين.
And we bestowed upon him Ishaq and Yaqub, the grandson of Ibrahim, and we made all of them worthy of our special proximity.
وجعلناهم أئمة يهدون بأمرنا وأوحينا إليهم فعل الخيرات وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة وكانوا لنا عابدين.
And we made them leaders that they call by our command, and we sent them revelation to do good deeds and to keep salah established and to pay zakah, and they would worship us.
وَلُوطًا آتَيْنَاهُ حُكْمًا وَعِلْمًا وَنَجَّيْنَاهُ مِنَ الْقَرْيَةِ الَّتِي كَانَتْ تَعْمَلُ الْخَبَائِثَ إِنَّهُمْ كَانُوا قَوْمَ سَوْءٍ فاسقين.
And we gave Lut governance and knowledge, and we rescued him from the people of that town which had been doing evil deeds. Indeed, those evil people were disobedient.
وأدخلناه في رحمتنا إنه من الصالحين.
And we admitted him into our mercy. Indeed, he is amongst those who deserve our special proximity.
ونوحا إذ نادى من قبل فاستجبنا له فنجيناه وأهله من الكرب العظيم.
And remember Nuh, when he called us before this, we henceforth answered his supplication and rescued him and his household from the extreme calamity.
ونصرناه من القوم الذين كذبوا بآياتنا إنهم كانوا قوم سوء فأغرقناهم أجمعين.
And we helped him against the people who belied our verses. Indeed, they were evil people. We consequently drowned them all.
وداود وسليمان إذ يحكمان في الحرث إذ نفشت فيه غنم القوم وكنا لحكمهم شاهدين.
And remember Dawood and Suleiman when they were deciding the dispute of a crop field, when some people's goats had strayed therein at night, and we were present with our knowledge and power at the time of their judgment.
ففهمناها سليمان وكلا آتينا حكما وعلما وسخرنا مع داود الجبال يسبحن والطير وكنا فاعلين.
And we made Suleiman understand the matter of the goats, and to both we gave kingdom and knowledge, and made the mountains subservient that they would proclaim purity along with Dawood, and also subjected the birds, and these were our actions.
وعلمناه صنعة لبوس لكم لتحصنكم من بأسكم فهل أنتم شاكرون.
And we taught him, Dawood, to make a garment, i.e., armor for you, to protect you from your injury in wars. So, will you be grateful?
ولسليمان الريح عاصفة تجري بأمره إلى الأرض التي باركنا فيها وكنا بكل شيء عالمين.
And we made the strong wind subservient to Suleiman, that it would blow by his command towards the land in which we have placed blessing. And we know everything.
ومن الشياطين من يخلصون له ويعملون عملا دون ذلك وكنا لهم حافظين.
And amongst the devils were those who would dive in the water for him and would do works other than this, and we had kept them restrained.
وأيوب إذ نادى ربه أني مسني الضر وأنت أرحم الراحمين.
And remember Ayub when he called his Lord that distress has afflicted me, and you are the most merciful of all those who show mercy.
فاستجبنا له فكشفنا ما به من ضر وآتيناه أهله ومثلهم رحمة من عندنا وذكرى للعابدين.
We henceforth answered his supplication, so we removed the adversity that had afflicted him, and we gave him his family, and in addition bestowed along with them more of a similar number by mercy from ourselves and advice for the people who worship.
وإسماعيل وإدريس وذا الكفل كل من الصابرين.
And remember Ismail and Idris and Dhul-Kifl, all of them were patient.
وأدخلناهم في رحمتنا إنهم من الصالحين.
And we admitted them into our mercy. Indeed, they are amongst those who deserve our special closeness.
وذا النون إذ ذهب مغاضبا فظن أن لن نقدر عليه فنادى في الظلمات أن لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين.
And remember Zunnun when he departed full of anger, assuming that we would not restrict him, and he therefore called out in the realms of darkness, "There is no God except you. Glory be to you. Indeed, an out-of-place act occurred from me."
فاستجبنا له ونجيناه من الغم وكذلك ننجي المؤمنين.
We henceforth heard his call and rescued him from grief, and we shall similarly rescue the Muslims.
وزكريا إذ نادى ربه رب لا تذرني فردا وأنت خير الوارثين.
And remember Zechariah when he called his Lord, "O my Lord, do not leave me alone," i.e. childless, and you are the best inheritor, i.e. eternal.
فاستجبنا له ووهبنا له يحيى وأصلحنا له زوجه إنهم كانوا يسارعون في الخيرات ويدعوننا رغبا ورهبا وكانوا لنا خاشعين.
We henceforth accepted his supplication and bestowed upon him Yahya and improved the condition of his wife for him. Indeed, they would hurry to perform good deeds, and they proclaim to us with hope and fear and are humble in our majestic court.
والتي أحصنت فرجها فنفخنا فيها من روحنا وجعلناها وابنها آية للعالمين.
And remember the lady Maryam who guarded her chastity. We henceforth breathed our special spirit into her and made her and her son a sign for the entire world.
إن هذه أمتكم أمة واحدة وأنا ربكم فاعبدون.
Indeed, this religion of yours, i.e., Islam, is the one religion of all the prophets, and I am your Lord, hence worship me.
وتقطعوا أمرهم بينهم كل إلينا راجعون.
And others have split up their matter, i.e., religion, into pieces amongst themselves. All are to return to us.
فمن يعمل من الصالحات وهو مؤمن فلا كفران لسعيه وإنا له كاتبون.
So, whosoever does some good deeds and is a believer, his efforts will not therefore be disregarded, and we are recording it.
وحرام على قرية أهلكناها أنهم لا يرجعون.
And it is unlawful for the people of such a town which we have destroyed that they may return back.
حتى إذا فتحت يأجوج ومأجوج وهم من كل حدب ينسلون.
Until the time when Ya'juj and Ma'juj will be released, and they will be coming down from every height.
واقترب الوعد الحق فإذا هي شاخصة أبصار الذين كفروا يا ويلنا قد كنا في غفلة من هذا بل كنا ظالمين.
And the true promise of the day of judgment has come near. The eyes of the disbelievers will thereupon remain wide open, saying that, woe to us, undoubtedly we were heedless of this, rather we were unjust.
إنكم وما تعبدون من دون الله حصب جهنم أنتم لها واردون.
Indeed, you and all that you worship other than Allah are the fuel of hell. You are to go therein.
لو كان هؤلاء آلهة ما وردوها وكل فيها خالدون.
Had these been gods, they would not have gone into hell, and they are all to abide therein forever.
لهم فيها زفير وهم فيها لا يسمعون.
They will bray therein and not be able to hear anything in it.
إن الذين سبقت لهم منا الحسنى أولئك عنها مبعدون.
Indeed, those to whom our promise of goodness, i.e., paradise has been made, they have been kept far away from hell.
لا يسمعون حسيسها وهم فيما اشتهت أنفسهم خالدون.
And they will not hear its faintest sound, and they will forever abide in bounties which their hearts desire.
لا يحزنهم الفزع الأكبر وتتلقاهم الملائكة هذا يومكم الذي كنتم توعدون.
The greatest fear will not aggrieve them, and the angels will welcome them, saying that, this is that day of yours which you were promised.
يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده وعدا علينا إنا كنا فاعلين.
The day when we shall roll up the heavens as the angels' sigils roll up the books of deeds. Just like we made it first, we shall similarly restore it. This is a promise upon our responsibility. We shall certainly do it.
ولقد كتبنا في الزبور من بعد الذكر أن الأرض يرثها عبادي الصالحون.
And we indeed wrote after the admonition in the Zabur that my virtuous bondsmen will inherit this earth.
إن في هذا لبلاغا لقوم عابدين.
Indeed, this Quran is sufficient for the worshippers.
وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين.
And we did not send you, O beloved, but as mercy for all the worlds.
قل إنما يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فهل أنتم مسلمون.
Say you, O beloved, I receive only this revelation, that you have no God but one Allah. Do you therefore become Muslims?
فإن تولوا فقل آذنتكم على سواء وإن أدري أقريب أم بعيد ما توعدون.
Then, if they turn away their faces from Islam, so say, O beloved, I have declared a war against you on equal terms. And what do I know, without being informed by Allah, whether the promise which is given to you is close or afar?
إنه يعلم الجهر من القول ويعلم ما تكتمون.
Indeed, Allah knows whatever is said loudly and knows what you conceal.
وإن أدري لعله فتنة لكم ومتاع إلى حين.
And what do I know on my own accord? It may be a trial for you and an enjoyment for just a while.
قال رب احكم بالحق وربنا الرحمن المستعان على ما تصفون.
And the beloved Prophet submitted that, O my Lord, make true judgment, and only the help of our Lord, the most gracious, is required against that which you fabricate.
صدق الله العظيم.